नंबर भी सही है ना 3795.
Correct.
It's all odd numbers.
Yes, sir. It's odd number.
I like these numbers. All these numbers are my favorite numbers.
My
3795. All the numbers are my favorite numbers. And my lucky numbers.
you know what is my bike's number?
What is your bike?
5937.
Wow. These numbers, even numbers.
Everything are odd numbers.
That's right.
And it's a good lucky number.
I already selected.
Okay, Mr. Naveen, how you are feeling today?
Feeling super excited and getting this bike after waiting for 2 years, 2 long years. Reading the reviews about this Royal Enfield Himalayan 450 for the last 2 years since the time it came in the news. I have been following up in Team BHP and all the other channels. I have watched innumerable videos about reviews and experience about Royal Enfield 450, and I have myself driven it. When I was in Dehradun, I had driven it for 1500 kilometers by taking. I took the bike on rent and I drove for 1500 kilometers. So after all this experience, I decided to go ahead with. So finally, I decided to go ahead with purchasing Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. So initially, actually, to be honest, I initially booked it in the month of Jan this year itself. But I had to cancel my booking because I decided that I'll wait for tubeless tire. So as soon as the tubeless tire was announced, availability in India, I went ahead and took the test drive and booked it immediately. Because tubeless tire was something which was most essential requirement for me, being a touring bike.
It is.
So I'm really happy that I'm finally getting the bike which I have been waiting for, and this is my second bike after 10 years. So super excited, super happy. Thanks a lot. Thank you Royal Enfield for making such a wonderful bike.
So your name?
Manjunath, sir.
Thank you, Manjunath.
Salesperson from sales team. He has been very helpful. He has guided us all along, and thanks a lot, Manjunath.
Okay, so we are doing our paperwork now.
Yes.
And heartiest congratulations, Naveen.
Thanks a lot, Chinmay, and thanks for coming along with me.
You're welcome.
So today I'm not really well because I've just recovered from cold, so I'm.
Okay.
Okay, so the time has come now for the much-awaited Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. So the color which I have chosen is Kaza Brown. In fact, to be honest, I really wanted to go for Harley Black. But the price which Royal Enfield is asking, the 25,000 extra only for the color change, I found it to be not worth enough. So that's the reason I decided to go with the base color, which is Kaza Brown, which I think is good enough for me to go for, because ultimately what matters is the performance of the bike, reliability of the bike, and how it performs in the long run.
Riding
So
experience.
I think it's a good decision. Let's see how it will turn out to be. Okay. So yeah. You can write it over. Okay, so can we have a look at the bike? I'll make the payment.
You once you can.
Okay, Naveen, so the moment has arrived.
That's right. Let's go, man. Let's go. Casa Brown. Let's see how it's going. Does it touch you? Huh?
Big cover.
Okay,
The,
this is the
the
one.
beauty has been covered.
Guys, see. So, when are you going to unveil it? Right now? Okay.
You have to, man. You have to.
Can unveil, sir?
Shall I?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Do one thing. Take some pictures from my. Okay, the moment has arrived now.
Correct.
I am going to unveil my new bike Himalayan 450 Casa Brown at Royal Enfield showroom, Acclaim Motors, Yelahanka. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, and yo!
Yo!
Look
Lovely.
at the beauty. Look at the beauty.
She is.
Man, super.
Indeed, that's a beauty.
Wow. The touring seat, the accessory which I have gone for is the touring seat. Okay. And crash guard, which is the Royal Enfield crash guard. Apart from that, I have also gone for this knuckle guard and the touring. What do you call it?
Adventure screen.
Huh?
Screen,
Windscreen. Adventure touring adventure screen. So these are the accessories which I have gone for. Apart from that, you can see how beautiful the bike looks.
It's
And
a
along with that, I have also got this saddle stay, the saddle guard.
it's a beautiful beast. Beautiful.
The seat is also comfortable enough. Photo.
Wait a minute.
जितने आ जाओ ना साथ में.
Wow, yeah, it looks beautiful.
Thanks a lot.
Once again, Mr. Naveen, heartiest congratulations.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
No, right leg there. Just right. It's like heavier, right, sir? Heavy,
All the best, Naveen. Come on.
On my new Himalayan Royal.
Yes. So finally the Naveen is here.
Bike is super, man, super. Trust me, it's really a good decision.
हाँ?
Bike लेकर
बाद में जाता हूँ, we'll finish it, फिर चलते हैं.
और seats are the best part.
Exactly.
Very
You can just go for 150, 200 kilometers like that, man. You don't have to get down at all.
मतलब नॉन स्टॉप रोड निकाल सकता हूँ ये इतना अच्छा कंफर्ट है इसका और जो फील है ना इसका इसकी वाई भी अलग है भाई बाइक की वाई भी अलग है अल्टीमेट really happy with the decision. Let's complete the formalities and take
Yes,
these home.
absolutely.
चलो बड़ी
Chalo.
Get